Quality sleep is extremely important to our physical and mental well-being. But what exactly is high-quality sleep? Before we show you the trick, let's dig into science a little. It's not about quantity. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention state an adult between 18 and 60 should aim for 7 or more hours of sleep per night. Some need more, some need less. But the question of quality seems to be answered fairly easily. To understand sleep quality, we have to look at the human sleep cycle. There are 4 sleep stages. We'll leave out the REM stage or stage 5, where dreams are most vivid. Stage 1 is a transition phase between wakefulness and sleep and makes up for only 2 to 5% each night. Disruptive noise wakes us up easily during that stage. Stage 2 lasts between 45 and 55% of the time. Brain activity starts to slow down, becomes harder to wake up again. Research indicates that stage 2 also contributes to the consolidation of memories. Stage 3, 3 to 8%, transitions us to the queen of sleep stages, the start of a real deep sleep phase, also related to as stage 4. Deep sleep accounts for only 10 to 15% of sleep each night, but this is where the action takes place. You can call it your beauty sleep. In stages 3 and 4, our bodies fall into recreation mode. Hormones flood our system, done damage is repaired, cell regeneration, energy restoration, repairing of tissue and bones, growth of muscle, and strengthening of the immune system all peak in this stage. Our brain gets the necessary rest as brain activity is the lowest. That's why this stage is called slow wave sleep. A solid amount of deep sleep in a night is the main reason why we feel fresh in the morning. A lack thereof makes us feel hit by a car. It decreases our capabilities during the day. It's also linked to playing a role in the development of mental diseases such as Alzheimer's. Luckily, there is a simple way to increase deep sleep duration instantly without any practice. Pink noise can massively boost deep sleep stages. Pink noise has recently become the darling of all sleep sounds, presumably due to the fact that recent research has shown pink noise to increase time spent in deep sleep and improve memory. Sound waves can be deconstructed based on 2 components, frequencies and amplitudes. The first refers to how quickly the sound vibrates, the latter to the power or energy of the sound. The distinction between white, brown, black, and pink noise is based on how the energy is distributed over different frequencies. And the energy of pink noise is high at lower frequencies. Example of typical pink noises are falling rain, gentle ocean waves, rustling leaves, and steady heartbeats. Pink noise can work wonders on sleep quality. It puts us into deeper sleep, giving easier access to all the benefits of quality sleep mentioned above. It extends and stabilizes actual deep sleep duration per night. The constant background noise blocks out other noises that would usually pierce the night silence and wake us up. Pink noise can work like an acoustic camouflage and block out sounds that would raise red flags in the brain's vigilant system. We simply don't wake up as often. For example, if you live in an apartment complex where people come and go all night, pink noise may help you drown out the sounds of revving engines or footsteps. Pink noise as a measure to enhance sleep quality is scientifically proven. It can put you into deeper, longer, and more stable deep sleep stages. Effects are improved overall health, concentration, productivity, memory, and athletic performance. Now it's your turn to try. That's all we have for you today. Let us know in the comments if you tried using pink noise for sleep quality enhancement. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching. Till next time.